I love multi-functional gear, and today I'm testing the Alpaka Momentum Duffel bag. And it might be more impressive than you expect because I'll be putting it through ultimate tests.
Let's go, guys!
Well, but first things first, the bag is 35 liters, and the nicest part is how light it feels, mainly because it's made from Alpaka's Axodyne fabric, which also provides wear and abrasion resistance. It also uses YKK AquaGuard zippers, which fits well with overall weather-resistant design. So next is a quick portability test, just to see how small this bag falls down. Now let's move on to see how much this bag actually holds. Inside, the duffel is one main open compartment with no dividers. There is no dedicated laptop space, just 4 mesh pockets for smaller essentials. Overall, the bag feels more spacious than you might expect. Let me pack it with everything I'd normally take for a week. On the outside, there are also 2 side pockets for items you want quick access to. I think I missed one thing, but there's still room to spare. So the bag is fully packed now, and it comes with a shoulder strap that can be attached in 3 different ways, depending on comfort and the activity.
Alright, now it's time for ultimate water resistance test, so let's head to the bathroom.
Well guys, I didn't go easy on it. I literally soaked the bag under the shower for 10 minutes. And I have to say, after that, then I opened the bag, the inner lining was slightly damped, but everything inside stayed completely dry. The YKK Aqua zippers also did a great job. Next up is the durability test. I'm dropping the bag on the ground. There is nothing to comment on here. The bag holds up very well. No scratches, no damage, and dirt doesn't stick to the fabric. The Momentum Duffel bag is very comfortable to carry, mainly because it's super lighted. And for me, an important factor is that it's not limited to gym or beach use. It also works well as a carry-on luggage. It is under an airplane seat and has a pass-through, so you can attach it to a suitcase. One thing that really sets this bag apart is how easily it falls down. As you can see here, I'm packing it into my carry-on, ready to use during the trip if needed. And with smart packing, I think this bag can easily handle a week-long trip.
I really like the quality and how multifunctional this bag is. The design is something I personally care about. It's well balanced, clean, and not overly sporty, so it fits naturally into different styles and daily routines. If you're interested, this bag is currently on Kickstarter and the limited super offer is still live. All the details are linked below.